How to add free gift with purchase on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add free gift with purchase on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link on the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is an e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create online stores and sell products or services online. And Shopify has grown to become one of the most popular e-commerce platforms globally, providing user-friendly interface for setting up and managing online stores without requiring extensive technical expertise. And now to start free trial, you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner or the Login button if you already have an existing account. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. So this is basically what the homepage looks like of Shopify. And you will see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, and to proceed, just click this Add Apps button, and in this pop-up window, just click the Shopify App Store. Then you will be directed on this page right here. And from here, just proceed by clicking on the search bar on the top panel and search Free Gift. And upon clicking Enter below, you will be able to see here all the result of free gift. But in those options, kindly proceed by clicking this gift box application right here. And upon clicking on it, below here, it will show you the overview about this application. And as you can see below here, this application will help you to boost your sales, motivate your customer with irresistible free gifts with purchase to spend more. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the pricing plan that offer on this application, such as we have here free trial and standard plan amounting to $39.99 per month. And below, it will show you the corresponding benefits included on each plan. Including on the standard plan, it offers benefits including all features, unlimited free gifts, no hidden fees, and 24/7 chat and email support. And also below here, you will be able to see here the overall rating of the application and the review from other customer or user who already use this application. And now to proceed to install this application, just proceed by clicking the install button right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And after that, from here, just proceed by clicking install button to proceed. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. And as you can see here, there are just 3 steps to create a new gift. The first one is to select one of the gift offers below. Then proceed by fine-tune the details, save and activate it. And lastly, you can now go to your live store and test it. Now moving on, for the step 1, we're just going to select below here the gift that we want or that we prepared to use in our online store. We have here custom free gift, free shipping, free product choice, and free product. And by choosing the free product, you will be able to give your customer a free product as a reward. And by selecting this, you will be directed on this page right here. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including the gift name. Then proceed by choosing the free gift or the product which will be given away as a free gift. So for instance, under this gift name, I'm going to enter here, limited free gift. And the free gifts can be physical products, services, which offer free gifts to customers as a marketing strategy to increase sales, average order value, and customer loyalty. And now the next thing that we need to do is to simply select the product that we want to serve or to give away as a free gift. So let's say I'm going to choose these blue shoes right here. By checking these boxes, just click the add button below. And after that, you will be directed in here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to set the condition or gift condition, or under what condition the free gift will be given to customer. We have here is spend X, or you can input a minimum cart value to get this free gift. So let's say I'm going to enter here 2,000 pesos as a minimum spend in order for the customer to avail or receive the free gift in here. And on the right side panel, you will be able to see what it looks like, all the preview of it. So this is basically what it looks like when the condition is met and when the condition is not met. And aside from spend X condition, we could also navigate here by product X. Or when a customer tries to purchase a specific product, let's say this blue hoodie, after selecting the blue hoodie, just select this add button below here. So basically, if the customer tries to purchase this blue hoodie, they will be able to receive a free gift, which is the blue shoes. And you will be able to see here the preview on the right side panel if the product or the condition is met and not met. And if you also want to set a minimum quantity for the product, you can do so by simply checking these boxes right here. And from here, below here, you will be able to see here that you can now start editing or setting up the minimum quantity. And aside from condition of buy product X, we could also use this condition is spend X in collection Y. So basically from here, we can simply input a minimum spend in a collection to get the free gift. And to do that, the first thing that we need to do is to simply select a collection right here. So let's say I'm going to choose this all products. By clicking this add button below here, we'll be able to add the collection. So from here on the right side panel, it will show you what it looks like, or what the customer will see if they try to purchase a specific product from our collection. We have here written spend 2,000 in the collection. They will be able to get these blue shoes, and if the condition is not met, this is basically what it looks like, in which the collection where the customer needs to spend the minimum amount. And aside from that condition, we could also use this condition, which is buy any product from collection X. But moving on below here, if you scroll down under gift quantity, from here we can simply choose the quantity of the gift product that we're going to give away. And also below here, we could also customize the text or tailor your offer's title and subtitles. So basically, this title is the customer will see if they try to purchase or met the condition. And aside from that, from here, you could also add additional conditions if you want to. And now, if we're activating the gift box, the first thing that we need to do is to simply select the gift conditions. And in those options, I'm going to choose this buy product X. So basically, if the customer try to purchase this product, they will be able to get or receive the gift box. Now moving on below here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply enter or customize the start date of receiving or giving away the gift box, in which we could also customize the start date, start time, and even the end date or the end time. However, under these active dates, I'm not going to enter or customize the end date. And if you also want to add additional condition, kindly click this button right here, and you could also navigate here all of the additional condition that you could input. We have here access gift by a specific link, wherein only customers who access the store via this link can be eligible for the gift. Or if you also want to target the specific countries or restrict the availability of the gift to specific countries. However, in this option, I'm not going to enter or add additional conditions. And now to proceed and activate, just click the save and activate button below here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And as you can see, the gift name, the condition, and the status of it has now been settled. And on this dashboard, you will be able to track the number of views, orders, and sales within this application. You can choose either all the time, today, yesterday, last 7 days, or last 30 days. And now to check if the gift box is actually working, let's try to visit our online store. And from here, just choose or select the product that are need to met or the conditions in order to avail or get the gift box. So let's say I'm going to add to cart this hoodie right here. And for instance, we're going to purchase this hoodie right here. By simply clicking on checkout, you will be able to see the icon that pop up on the right side panel. And it will show you in this window that you can get these awesome free gifts by simply purchasing this hoodie right here. So basically, the gift box or free gifts that we just customized is now working on our online store. So basically, the purpose of gift box app in Shopify is to enable merchants to offer free gifts with purchase to customer based on specific conditions, such as reaching a minimum spend or buying a particular product. So that is just basically how you can add free gift with purchase on Shopify. Thank you.